So how much life insurance do I really need? Hey, I'm Kaleb, the founder of 10 Talents Financial Planning. This was a question that came up in a recent meeting from a client. How much life insurance do I need? You know, what I've learned in advising clients is this is a very personal question. You can go online and get the traditional 10 times income recommendation, but I wanted to use something very personal, which is what I used with this client. And I share this example with many clients, is me and my wife. You know, the traditional, logic is 10 times income. Well, my wife, she does work. She does travel blogging. That's been a recent development. But when we originally purchased term life insurance for her, she had no income that she was bringing in. So the traditional logic would be zero, because 0 times 10 in this traditional Google advice answer would mean I don't need to buy any life insurance for her. But I have a preference. My preference is I don't care what traditional wisdom or Google searches say. I want my wife to have life insurance because if she were to die, I would be SOL. I think you know what that abbreviation stands for. I'd be in a rough place. So as a preference, my wife has life insurance because I prefer to have that. It breaks every rule of thumb. It breaks every guidance around life insurance is an income replacement. Of course, everyone knows this, even Bane from Batman. No, listen. Life insurance is very personal. We want to look at your expenses, not your income, right? We want to look at replacing your lifestyle, which has nothing to do with income. It has everything to do with your burn rate. What do you burn every month in fixed expenses as well as discretionary? And then looking at covering things like the mortgage, college accounts, topping those off if a spouse were to die. So it's much more nuanced than just like, what do you make times 10? So this is usually what we'll walk through with clients, and ultimately going higher or lower than any target that I would give a client is preference. Some clients really like insurance. You just have a personal preference for, man, I just love insurance. It's so great to know we have this peace of mind. Other people think insurance is a freaking ripoff. No way, no how am I getting any more than the bare minimum because it's a ripoff. So you really, as an advisor, have to walk through client preferences, look at their spending, look at future earning potential, and put together a nuanced recommendation that goes beyond the basic Google search of 10 times your annual income. So I hope this has been helpful for you today. If you have questions around this, this is one of probably 15 or 20 topics that goes into a financial plan. You could get a lot of value from getting this type of nuanced professional advice if all you think advisors do is pick stocks or make investment recommendations. It's far from the truth. So I encourage you to reach out if you have questions. Thank you so much for watching the video today. Bye-bye now.